Mahmoudullah Riyad, our vice captain, and may I have a little higher than a base price, please? Can we start with $50,000? $50,000 to Sylhet. 55 to Chittagong. $55,000 to Chittagong. Can I get 60 from somewhere? 60,000? 60,000, thank you. Rangpur, 60,000 Rangpur. 65 to Chittagong. 65, 70 to Sylhet, thank you. 70,000 to Sylhet, 75 to Chittagong. 75, sorry, 70, we have stuck at 70. 70,000 to Chittagong. Any more for 70? 70?
Is anybody for 70?
Yes. He's for 70. Chittagong is for 70, sir. Anyone else for 70? That's the sort of lock price, sir. 70 is the highest. So I've got 70,000 from Chittagong once, 70,000 twice. I've got 70,000 here, Sylhet. So we've got Sylhet here, 70,000, and Chittagong, 70,000. No, we can't go beyond 70. So that's the limit for the local grade. So we've got two bids for 70,000. So I think we have to go for a tiebreaker, please.
The competition is getting stiffer. Sylhet was bid at 103,000, has lost out again to Chittagong Kings, $125,000. Riyadh goes to Chittagong Kings. Just a reminder again that the money on top of 70,000, a check has to be handed over to BCB by end of today's program. Otherwise, it will go to the next highest bidder. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mahbub. We'll proceed to our second player. Second player is also an all-rounder, our former captain, Saqib Al Hasan. Bid price starts at $45,000. Can we start it a little higher than that, sir? $50,000? $50,000 here. 55 for you, Rangpur? 55 to Rangpur. 60,000 to Khulna. 65 to Chittagong. 65. One more. 70,000. We'll stop at that with Dhaka. 70 for Borishal. 70 for Chittagong. And 70 for Rajshahi, Khulna. Are you there? 70, sir? Sylhet? Okay, we'll see this one. And Rangpur? Also 70? So we have a tiebreaker again for Saqib Al Hasan.
So how many way tiebreaker it is?
Except for Sylhet.
Khulna, Chittagong.
Six. Except for Sylhet.
It has been a wonderful bidding, I guess, with 6 teams bidding for Saqib Al Hasan, the star player for Bangladesh. And it ranges very widely between 2 digits to a big number of 3 digits. So I just go out. Khulna obviously have lost out at 90,000. We had Borishal at 132,000. We had Chittagong Kings at 175,000. We had Rangpur came close at 160,000. We had Duronto Rajshahi at 213,000, but it goes to Dhaka Gladiators at 365,000. It didn't work for you.
Thank you, sir. Well bought. And we'll go on. We'll go on to the third player. Third player in the golden category is none other than our captain, Mushfiqur Rahim. Can we start at $50,000, sir, for Mushfiq? Thank you, Sylhet. $50,000, 55,000 to Rajshahi, 55,000 Rajshahi, 60,000 Chittagong, 65 Sylhet, 65,000 to Sylhet, 70,000 to Chittagong, 70,000 also to Rajshahi, 70,000 to Rangpur for you, sir, 70,000 to Borishal, Sylhet, 70,000 as well, 70,000 Sylhet as well. Dhaka, not there, and Khulna. So we have a tie again, except for Khulna and Dhaka. The other 5 franchises have Mushfiqur Rahim on a tiebreaker.
Again, 5. It's been a very interesting bid for the captain of the Bangladesh side, with Borishal at 101, Chittagong King at 175,000, Rangpur tried hard at 145,000, and it was so close, I must say, between Duronto Rajshahi and Sylhet. But the congratulation goes to Sylhet. They have got him at $205,000, where Duronto Rajshahi had bidded for $203,000. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That's quite close. So out of the 4 players that we have in the golden category, we've already sold Mahmudullah Riyad to Chittagong, Saqib Al Hassan to Dhaka, and now Mushfiq Rahim to Sylhet. Congratulations all. And we have the fourth player in our golden category of the local player, Tamim Iqbal Khan. Tamim Iqbal Khan, left arm opening batsman. Can we start at $50,000 please? 50,000? Khulna, thank you. 50,000 to Khulna. 55 to Borishal. 60,000 for you, sir? 60,000 to Rajshahi. 65 to Khulna. 65. 70, sir? 70 to Rangpur. 70 to Rajshahi. 70 to Chittagong. And also Khulna, Dhaka. Sylhet, are you there? At 70? Not there. So we have, other than Sylhet, we have a tie for Tamim Iqbal Khan by 6 franchisees now.
This has been a very interesting bid, all in very close range. We had Borishal at 101,000, and we had Chittagong Kings at 105. Khulna, you have written 110, but please understand I read at $110 only. So please, if you want to make the number, please put all the zeros, because zeros count on the right. Zeros don't count on the left, but zeros count on the right. So, yeah, I understand that. We say. Rangpur is at 160. That is all you thought, but unfortunately there's somebody else at 165. It is 165 for Dhaka Gladiators and 165 at Duronto Rajshahi. We have a tie again on both numbers. There will be a lottery for there will be toss of coin, because there is a tie here on the number. Is that? Yes. The way to go. Huh? Okay, they want to rebid? Rebid? Huh? Rebid kemne korben? How can you rebid for a? You can't do a rebid. Draw. We'll have a draw. We'll have a draw. Okay? Rebid hobe na. We'll have a draw. No, you can't rebid once the price is you can't have a rebid. Coin. Just toss a coin. Toss a coin, or we do a pull here?
Best.
Okay. So should we pull all of them together here, or toss a coin on the table?
Two captains can be brought here.
Two of the representatives should come to the table, please.
We need a coin.
Match referee, commissioner. Coin আছে, coin.
He's lucky because he cut and right 165. Kaita bar is.
Go ahead. Commissioner should come down and.
It is a match. It's a cricket match. We have toss of coin to decide things. First. Okay. It goes to Rajshahi. Tamim goes to Duronto Rajshahi.
That was